Welcome to our YouTube video about 20 common money mistakes that can hold you back from building wealth. In today's fast-paced world, many people struggle with managing their finances and making smart financial decisions. Whether it's overspending, not saving enough, or making poor investment choices, these mistakes can add up over time and prevent you from reaching your financial goals. In this video, we'll discuss 20 common money mistakes that you should avoid if you want to build wealth. We'll cover topics such as budgeting, debt management, investing, and more, and offer practical tips and advice to help you make better financial decisions. So, whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or you're looking to fine-tune your approach, this video is for you. Join us as we explore the most common money mistakes that can hold you back from building wealth, and learn how to avoid them once and for all. Mistake number 1. Not creating a budget and sticking to it. One of the biggest mistakes people make is not having a budget in place. A budget helps you understand where your money is going and where you can make changes to save more and build wealth. Mistake number 2. Overspending on non-essential items and lifestyle inflation. When your income increases, it's easy to start spending more on non-essential items. However, this can keep you from building wealth and living the life you want in the long run. Mistake number 3. Failing to save for an emergency fund. Emergencies can happen at any time, and not having an emergency fund can lead to debt and financial stress. Mistake number 4. Not paying off high-interest debt as soon as possible. High-interest debt can drain your finances and keep you from building wealth. Mistake number 5. Not taking advantage of employer matching contributions to retirement plans. If your employer offers a retirement plan with matching contributions, failing to take advantage of it means you're leaving money on the table. Mistake number 6. Not investing in yourself and your skills to increase earning potential. Investing in education, training, or developing new skills can increase your earning potential and help you build wealth over time. Mistake number 7. Buying more car or house than you can afford. Overspending on housing or transportation can lead to financial strain and keep you from building wealth. Mistake number 8. Not shopping around for better insurance rates. Failing to shop around for better insurance rates can mean you're paying more than necessary and missing out on potential savings. Mistake number 9. Failing to negotiate bills and expenses. Negotiating bills and expenses can save you money and help you free up funds for building wealth. Mistake number 10. Not prioritizing savings for retirement. Retirement savings should be a priority to ensure you have enough money to live comfortably in retirement. Mistake number 11. Not investing in the stock market for long-term growth. Investing in the stock market can provide long-term growth opportunities for your wealth. Mistake number 12. Trying to time the market instead of regularly investing. Trying to time the market is difficult and can lead to missed opportunities. Regularly investing is a better strategy for building wealth. Mistake number 13. Investing in high-risk and high-fee mutual funds instead of low-cost index funds. High-risk and high-fee mutual funds can eat into your returns and keep you from building wealth. Low-cost index funds are a better option for most investors. Mistake number 14. Not seeking professional financial advice when needed. A financial advisor can provide valuable guidance and help you avoid costly mistakes. Mistake number 15. Not having adequate insurance coverage for health, disability, and life. Inadequate insurance coverage can lead to financial strain in the event of an unexpected event. Mistake number 16. Not understanding the true cost of loans and credit cards, including interest and fees. Failing to understand the true cost of loans and credit cards can lead to debt and keep you from building wealth. Mistake number 17. Failing to take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts for retirement savings. Tax-advantaged retirement accounts can help you save more and build wealth faster. 18. Not tracking and managing your credit score. 19. Ignoring your credit report and potential errors that can affect creditworthiness. 20. Investing too conservatively and missing out on growth opportunities. Thanks for tuning in to our video about 20 common money mistakes that can prevent you from building wealth. We hope that you found our tips and advice helpful in avoiding these pitfalls and taking control of your finances. Remember, building wealth takes time, patience, and discipline. But by avoiding these common money mistakes, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content on personal finance and wealth building. And as always, feel free to leave us a comment with any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks again for watching.